Looking for a dependable charging cable that keeps your devices powered without hassle? The Vanwa 2-pack replacement DC charging cable offers fast, stable charging for all your small electronics with a 2.5mm round DC port. Whether it's your massager or beauty instrument, this cable ensures consistent power delivery whenever you need it. I've tried plenty of charging cables before, but many either fall short on length or lose connection too easily. Vanwa's 2.7-foot cable strikes the perfect balance, long enough to reach comfortably without tangled mess. Plus, the snug 2.5mm DC connector fits securely, so you won't have to worry about it slipping out mid-use. That little detail makes a big difference in everyday convenience. What sets this cable apart is its premium construction. Built with a pure copper core, it reduces energy loss and boosts charging efficiency compared to standard cords. That means your devices get power faster and more reliably, extending both your cable's lifespan and your device's uptime. It's a small upgrade that pays off every day. Versatility is another strong point here. Compatible with any USB type of port, you can plug it into wall chargers, laptops, power banks, or even car chargers. This flexibility makes it a perfect companion whether you're at home, the office, or on the road. No more hunting for the right charger, just plug in and power up. If you value hassle-free tech accessories, this cable is worth a look. It's lightweight, easy to use, and designed to keep your devices charged without interruption. Plus, Vanwa backs it with responsive customer support ready to assist within 24 hours if anything comes up. That kind of service adds peace of mind to your purchase. If that's you, someone who needs reliable, efficient charging for your small electronics, the Vanwa 2-pack replacement DC charging cable fits the bill. It's a simple, effective solution that keeps your devices ready when you are. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience. Don't settle for cables that let you down. Choose Vanwa for fast, secure, and durable charging every time. This 2.5mm USB to DC cable combines quality materials, perfect length, and broad compatibility to deliver dependable power wherever you go. It's a smart investment in keeping your devices powered without fuss.